Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, brand new Ozweego Originals Grey Legend Earth Khaki model. And now I will unbox it and I will show you materials of these shoes and how it looks like. So let's open it. As you can see, here we have Adidas Ozweego Originals, 46th size, and here is our shoe. So here we have suede. The midsole is made from solid foam. Maybe it's softer than the New Balance 608 foam, but it's solid. Okay. Here on the sole we have just normal rubber. So here we have the foam, and this little lighter color is the rubber. Okay. Here we have the fabric. It's not the suede. This is the normal fabric, as you can see. Here we have suede, and here we have the fabric. So this fabric is very delicate, and I'm afraid it's easy to damage this fabric, you know. Okay. Adidas logo is made from different type of fabric. Here we have the hard fabric. Okay. Here we have the maybe light reflective. Yes. Here we have the light reflective parts of our shoe. I don't know how to explain it. So cool. As you can see, this is the light reflective element here and here. This is just the rubber. Okay, here we have the part of suede 2 and a little part of reflective fabric too, as you can see. Ozweego. I can't really. Oi Prim, I don't know. As you can see, here we have the part of sole rubber to help us to save our fabric. But I'm really afraid I don't know how to clean it. Here is the glue, as you can see. This is original shoes, but the quality of glue not too great. So what about laces? Oh, here we have very slippery laces. They're thick and very slippery. Oh my god. They will be always unbounded. So Tongue created from something that looks like leather, but maybe it could be a leather. Here, as you can see, we have the, I don't know what is that. It's just normal fabric, but here we have the, I think this is the laser, but it can be eco leather too, so I don't know, sorry guys, I can't identify it. Inside we have a little harder fabric than here, but it's just normal Adidas fabric inside of the shoe. Okay, so what about insole? It is not glued, so go. Here we have, so this is just a standard insole. As you can see here we have something like fabric, and here it's like a foam, but from, I don't know what is the foam, but this is foam, but I don't know how to explain it. It's like a rubber when you touch it, but when you press on it, it's more like a normal foam. Here we have the part of the insole to prevent the removing insole from the shoe. Accidentally removing from the shoe. Of course, you can remove it when you want, and that's it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye. See you.